Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your bee capacity in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will automatically get this tree and you can place your bee eggs right here and hatch the bee egg here on the tree. And when you go to the tree, all your bees will go to this tree and like take a rest. And you can increase the capacity of the tree guys. If you want to increase the capacity, you can go to this menu, upgrade tree. You can click on open and you can choose the capacity like this. You will add one slot. Okay, and here you can also upgrade the other aspect, such as the extra honey coins, compressor capacity, bee speed, compressor speed, and yeah, that's it. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my garden, and as you can see, I got 2 slots, so I can put 2 more bees to the tree, this one and this one. And okay guys, that's how you can increase your bee capacity in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new BCB update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!